Hello, my name is Sujat and welcome to my channel Easy Addons Blender. This channel is all about making your workflow optimized and easier in Blender. Making a Blender add-on is quite a difficult task. It requires your knowledge about lots of different things. It has several parts. You need to know how the API works. You need to know how the environment is set up. You require the knowledge about 3D development. So how can we make it better and simplify these things? Simple, we use add-ons. Add-ons that make our life simple. So in this vlog, I am going to show you how I started creating my first add-on, EasyLight. EasyLight is a Blender add-on that was created to optimize your workflow during lighting of a scene. It has useful operators that help you create a lighting environment for your 3D models. With this add-on, you would be able to add multiple lights in your scene with just one click of a button. This was my initial idea that I wanted to solve for myself. But one thing that I couldn't find was how to set up a development environment for this add-on, and so I had to go through some paid courses to get the information that I wanted. And then I was ready to take on the challenge. So after setting up my environment, I started working on my first operator, the cinematic lighting operator. This operator has 4 lights in it: a key light, a fill light, a backlight, and a soft box. The soft box is basically an area light. So after my first operator was done, I was feeling confident, so I started with my second operator. This was a really easy operator to make. It had only 2 points, thus I gave it the name 2-point lighting. So here you have a fill light and a key light, and that's it. And you can change the colors, intensity, as well as the radius of the light. So how you can control how soft or how thick it is. And it is applicable for the cinematic lighting as well. So then I started working on several other operators as well. One for selecting options, second was for moving the lights around and rotating them, and then I started working with the area lights and the spotlights as well. Also, I have added another operator where you can enable the volumetics directly from the panel itself. Creating, deleting, and selecting lights is as easy as clicking on a single button. That's it. Now I have a product that is more or less complete and can be released. I will keep adding stuff to it as the time progresses. For now, this add-on is available on Gumroad. You can go below and check my link, and if you want to support, please subscribe and buy the product. The first 100 customers would be gifted with the promo code that is listed down below. After the first 100 customers, I am sure this promo code will not be available anymore. So guys, please help me build this add-on as well as help me support this channel. Thank you. We will see you next time.